All right, so now that you've got your Google Drive app all set up, you might be wondering where you will access your files from now on. You can actually access them a few different places. The first one, which you're probably the most familiar with, is in your Google Drive on your browser. So if you get into your Google Drive by going into your Chrome browser like you normally do, you'll be able to see all of your folders and all of your files the same way you always do. The only difference is that now all the folders and files that used to be on your computer will also appear in your drive as well. You can scroll through the list as I am here, or you can also go over to the left menu bar over here, click this drop down arrow. You'll be able to see all the files and folders rather here, so you can click on any of those and you can open them as need be. Now another way you can get to your files and folders is a new way up here on the top menu bar. You'll notice, I'll zoom in for you a little bit here, you'll notice I have several icons up here on mine. Yours might look a little different, but once you have the Google Drive app installed, you should have this Google Drive icon right here. It looks exactly like the triangle that you see when you normally go to Google Drive. So if you click on that, you have two options. You can visit Google Drive on the web, and if you click on that, that will take you right to your Google Drive in your browser. So that's a really quick and easy way to get to your drive from now on. However, if you prefer, you can also click there and you can say Open Google Drive Folder. Now this is what is a little bit different from before. If I click that, it's going to open a folder, just that it looks like just a normal folder on your computer, but it has all of the files and folders in your Google Drive. You'll notice over here on the left it actually says Google Drive, it says it up here on the top, and it's got all of my files and folders here. Now this is really helpful, especially if you're a person who is using non-Google file formats like a Smart Notebook file or a Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, something like that. Because normally for you to be able to use those types of files in Google Drive, you had to download them every time. But now you don't have to do that. You can actually open this Google Drive folder and you can open any of these files. If you open a non-Google file format like a Smart Notebook or something like that, it will just open in Smart Notebook or Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or whatever it is. If you open something that is an actual Google Doc or a Google Sheets or something like that, what that will do then is that will actually open your browser and it will open the doc that you would normally see in Google Docs. So that will be an easy adjustment for you as well. The third place that you can find your files is, if you like, we can also add a shortcut down here in your dock. So you'll notice this is where my network folder would have been, but I've gotten rid of mine. And then I also have one added here that says Google Drive. Now if I click on Google Drive, again it will show me all those files and folders that I have. And I can do one of two things. I can either click on one of the files directly, or if I want to see them in that window that I'm used to seeing them in, I can just click Open in Finder, and there's that window again. So again, you can go in through the browser like you normally do. You can go up here to this icon on the top menu bar, or if you like, we can also add for you a shortcut icon in your bottom dock here, or wherever your dock happens to be located on your screen. So that is how you are going to find all of your files and folders from now on.